Today, we're going to show you how to create a stunning column chart in Excel, which will give deep business insights with an eye-catching visual presentation. Let's get started. Here is a sample dataset used to create an interactive and visually stunning chart. Let's start. First, create a pivot table. Click inside your table. Go to Insert, Table. Choose Existing Worksheet. Select a cell near table. Click OK. Drag Product Category to the rows. Drag Revenue to the values. Format the numbers. Choose Currency $. Next, copy the pivot table output. Paste Special. Select Values Only. This creates a static base for your chart. Format. Apply borders. Ctrl+1 Border tab. Format and add headers like Product and Revenue. Format the numbers. Choose Currency $. Next, in the next column, insert emojis as category markers. Shortcut to open emojis. Windows + dot. Add icons next to each product category. Coffee, cold drinks, dessert, snacks. Tea, special drinks. Then, copy and paste icons related to the product names. Apply borders. Next, create the column chart. Select Product and Revenue columns only, not emojis. Go to Insert, Recommended Charts. Choose Column Chart, click OK. Move chart to a better position. Remove unnecessary elements. Click and delete grid lines, legends, and axis if not needed. Add data table labels. Next, design a beautiful custom shape. Go to Insert, Shapes, Flowchart, and first draw a magnetic disk shape. Insert one more shape and align both shapes properly. Go to Shape Format and remove the outline. Choose this Picture Texture Fill. Then copy and paste the texture. Then right-click on the shape and go to Format Shape. In the Shape Options pane, select Picture or Texture Fill. Also, remove the outline by setting it to No Outline. Copy the shapes, position them under the chart, and paste. Adjust the gap width. Add a title by clicking on the chart title and typing Revenue by Product Category. Check the Data Labels option to enable it. Right-click on the data labels and choose Format Data Labels. Uncheck all default options like Value and Category Name. Select Value from Cells, then select the icon column range and click OK. Adjust the icon size and align the chart neatly. We'll speed up this process to save time. Next, add a slicer to filter the chart. Click anywhere in the pivot table. Insert Slicer. Choose a country. Click OK. Resize and place the slicer beside the chart. Right-click and uncheck Autofit Column Width. In the table below, link the revenue values based on the pivot table. Finally, test the slicer. Click each slicer option like Australia, Canada. Watch chart respond dynamically. Make sure nothing overlaps or misaligns. That's it. Now there's a stunning, emoji-enhanced, filterable, and presentation-ready column chart. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.